anything you want to say before this goes on the internet?
Why?
Hey guys, welcome back to the start of today's video. Today, we're going to toge the AE Falcon. Definitely not in its right habitat. What do you think, Brad?
Yes.
I don't know how I baited Nathan to take his shirt off for the intro. There you go. That's what Nathan looks like under his clothes.
This is what our girlfriend said.
Yeah, so we're in the lovely hills around Dandenong. We've got the AU with its currently lazy open LSD, 3.45 diff gears.
It's an LSB.
It's an LSB.
LS Banky.
Come on! Yes!
BCT kicked in.
Before we start today's video, we're gonna get a milkshake. We're gonna get a quick milkshake before we get right into getting this thing on the toge. The doogie. Have a sass of the AU. It's looking pretty schmick. Not bad.
Look at the bonnet.
Say it again.
Look at the bonnet.
What's wrong with it?
I noticed it before. You can really tell Matt's doing from here. Look here, right here. Yeah.
I don't think the camera can't see that. There's a big line in the middle of it. It's mine. Today, we're going to take the AU up and around the Dandenong Hills for a bit of a toge. Now, if you don't know what a toge is, it's a Japanese term for a hill run. And the reason why we're doing that is because this car, I've said in a few videos, it handles pretty damn good. It's currently got some BC Racing coilovers on the front. It's got some lowered shocks and some cut springs on the back. It's got a live rear axle, but it handles pretty good. Honestly, if this thing had some better tires, I'd be able to send it way harder. And before we continue this video, don't forget, subscribe. Nathan's just going on a bit of a bushwalk. It's so nice here. Fuck, look at that. AU Falcon. And there's another one there too. Damn, the mighty AU. Sorry about all the camera switching, just getting the thumbnail. A rolling shot. You're just getting some of the B-roll. This is a really nice area. Nathan took a nice pee on a tree.
No, it wasn't even a tree, it was a bush. To have your PP out.
You know, let it have your PP out. Push start. Let's go. Introduce yourself, Nathan.
Hello, my name's Nathan.
Okay, we're gonna go on a bit of a 2J, a 2G. We're gonna feel what the AE Falcon is capable of. Now, mind you, we do have a passenger. Nathan's here to give us some equal weight distribution.
Help.
You're lucky I put the handle back when I took the roof on.
Oh, you don't even have it.
Yeah, well, the driver doesn't ever have one. The driver's got the steering wheel for the ocean handle. Bro, you're gonna cause a dent in my roof. One of the advantages of having an AU Falcon over like a BA, BF or FG is that they are the lightest Falcon out of every single one of them, which means that they handle the best. We're on a really twisty road right now. We're gonna be a bit careful because there's a bit of some wet patches and stuff, but look at that. Come around. Look at that pinpoint accuracy. Like, it's fucked. It's pretty surprising, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Very surprising.
Yeah. Like, we make jokes in the group about how, like, shitty this car is and stuff, but
We've been here before.
we have, but this is the same spot. But they're actually really, really good cars. Like, there's obviously a lot of jokes and memes that go around with these AU Falcons, but really, ultimately at the end of the day, it's a great package. They're rear-wheel drive, they're reliable. They don't look good, which is a con, but it sort of grows on you. The cockroach grows on you a little bit. I don't know.
If you're worried about looks, just get an E series, EL, EF. They have a worse intake, but they look much better than AU.
AUs look like a beluga whale. They are not the prettiest thing, but they grow on you. The funny thing is, like, there's this AU out there. It's called the TS50, and it looks amazing. You can make these things look good with the right kit. You know me. Well, if you do follow me, I was never into AU cars or anything like that, and this thing has definitely grown on me. So to answer your question, does the AU tow? Woo! Woo! It sure does. God damn! Woo! Oh, intake power, baby! What's funny about these engines as well is that a stock bottom end can make 350 to 400 kilowatts. It's like the Barra. I mean, essentially it's the same thing. I think that you're the one who told me that they share the same part numbers, some of them.
Yeah, they have the same rods and pistons as an NA Barra, as a silver top.
There you go. That's insane. And Barras are notorious for making bulk power, and so can the Intec. If this Intec does die, which it probably won't, because a lot of the Intecs that are out there are currently on like 600 to 800,000 kilometers, I'd probably Barra swap it if it does die. The best mod you can definitely do to this thing is chuck some coilovers in the front. We're currently running BF 16 kilogram front springs as well, BC Racing, and they're really, really good. They're not like too bouncy at all. They're actually the perfect coilover because the BA and BF suspension geometry is shared between the AU as well. Boys, we found a gravel road. You know what that means. Last time we took it to a gravel road, it was only spinning first. Oh my god. There's no way we can ruin the rear wheels by doing that, can we? The Simmons?
Only the front wheels will be flicking shit up.
Yeah. Wow, first gear is so short now.
That's what you want.
Yeah. Second gear's a bit too fast for me. Oh. Oh, wasn't that sideways?
So maybe in the wet it'll lock up both.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, so one of the best things about these cars is they've got double wishbone in the front, which means that the turn-in is really pinpoint accurate. Like, it reacts exactly to what you're doing, whereas in a lot of other cars, like, they'll come around and they'll steer through, like my MR2, but the steering just didn't feel as good as having double wishbone. Like, every car that I've driven with double wishbone is just immediately better in every single way with the turn-in. It's just like so much nicer to drive. It's just the rear end that lacks, but if you do decide to get one of these cars, you can get IRS in the back, but then you sacrifice the reliability of live rear when you're drifting, because the axles in a live rear are obviously superior. Like, you're not going to run into any issues there. It's literally a solid beam. There's never going to be a problem. But the steering, look, oh wow, it's so floaty, but it's so accurate. Where are we going now? I think we're going, oh, straight. Oh, it's all over the road.
When you go second,
yep,
tap the brakes a bit around the corner.
I'm not that confident, man.
No, I'm not, slow the car down.
I'm not that good. I can't get my foot over. I'm not that good. I got a lot to learn. The steering is very nice. The thing that lacks with this thing is just the live rear. Other than that, the car comes around super clean. Just gonna get up here, stop here. Yep. Oh my god. The extractors and a cam on If you enjoyed today's video, please give us a like. Very, very different sort of video there, adding to our little Vlogmas collection. If you want to help support out the channel, check out bankyspec.com. T-shirts, they're heading out the door. We don't have too many left. Hoodies, we've still got plenty of, so go check it out. In every order over $40, you get an AE Falcon little keychain right here. And we've got some jet tags as well. Go have a sus. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed today's video, just click that like button. Let me know, comment down below, and I'll see you tomorrow, because Vlogmas is a thing now. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. See you later.